Our images section makes it easy to upload your own images or find free images online to use in your project. To upload, you would click the upload button and then click or drop your images here. In our demonstration today, we're going to be using a free image for our project. So I click free, and you'll see it's already pre-populated with a bunch of random pictures. So we're working on this Walking for Breast Cancer Awareness sticker. We want to maybe get something that goes along well with this, like a road, or how about a marathon? That looks good. And then you can hover over the images to see what you think. That's not really it. This one looks good. They have pink little badges on them. So I'm going to actually click on this image and put it into my project. Again, once it's in the project, we can shrink it down. We're going to put it in on our sticker here. I'm going to actually zoom in using the zoom function at the bottom. I'm going to scroll up, and we're going to get right in here. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to just move this to the side. I'm going to actually highlight our text here and put it kind of in the center. I'm going to take the ribbon, put it to the right, and I'm going to take the image, put it to the left. Maybe I'll just rotate that too for fun. And that's how you use the image. Now there is some extra functionality here. I'm going to actually blow this up just so we can see it better. But you can take this image and you can also crop it. So let's say you didn't want it was too big, or you wanted it to be more rectangular in shape. You can take this and crop it. Let's do that. So you see how it crops it. Let's also take this image and let's use the filters. Filters are great for putting a dramatic. This is like an Instagram sort of filter where you can change the style and the coloring. So yeah, let's do something like that. And you can also have further adjustments with the brightness, saturation, and contrast if you want to edit it. But I think we're going to keep it where it's at. And that's it.